If you work in Photopea, one of the easiest things you can do to stay organized is rename your layers. This might sound simple, but once your project gets bigger, proper layer names can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of guessing what layer 1, layer 2, or background means, you can give each layer a clear name so everything stays easy to find. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to name layers in Photopea, and I'll also point out the one mistake you want to avoid. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your layers are listed. You'll usually see default names like Layer 1, Layer 2, or Background, especially if you've just started a new project or imported an image. To rename a layer, the fastest method is to double-click directly on the text name of the layer. Make sure you click on the words themselves, not just the empty space around them. For example, if you see Layer 1, double-click on the actual text Layer 1. When you do that correctly, the layer name will become editable. Now type in the new name you want to use. You can name it based on what the layer contains, like text, logo, shadow, background image, or button. Clear names make it much easier to work faster, especially when you're editing multiple elements at once. After typing your new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. You can also click anywhere outside the name box, and Photopea will keep the new layer name for you. That's it. The layer has now been renamed. One very important tip: if you double-click empty space next to the layer name instead of the text itself, Photopea may open the layer style window instead. That's a common mistake. So if that happens, just close it and try again by double-clicking the actual layer's name. Once you get used to it, renaming layers in Photopea only takes a second. It's one of those small habits that makes a big difference in your workflow, especially when you're working on more advanced designs. So to quickly recap, go to the Layers panel, double-click the layer name, type your new name, and press Enter to confirm it. If you want more easy Photopea tutorials like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.